In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Evernote password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply wish to reset it for security reasons, this guide will take you through the steps to get you signed back into your Evernote account smoothly. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Evernote sign-in page. This is your first stop when you need to log in or reset your password. If you find yourself staring at a blank password field with no memory of what goes there, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Right below the password field, you should see a link that says Forgot Password. Go ahead and click on that. This will redirect you to a new page where you can start the process of resetting your password. Now, you'll be asked to enter your email address or username associated with your Evernote account. This is crucial because Evernote will need to know where to send the recovery information. Input your details carefully to avoid any hiccups. Once you've entered the correct email address or username, look for a button that says Send Recovery Email and click it. You'll need a working internet connection, and it's always a good idea to double-check for any typos before you hit send. The next step involves a quick trip to your email inbox. Evernote will send you an email containing further instructions for resetting your password. Be patient, as it may take a couple of minutes for the email to arrive. If it doesn't appear in your main inbox, it's worth checking your spam or junk folders, as sometimes these emails can end up there by mistake. Once you've located the email, open it up. Inside, you should find a link specifically for resetting your password. Click on that link, and it will take you to the section where you can create a new password. This is your chance to come up with a strong, unique password that will help keep your Evernote account secure. Remember, a good password is typically a mix of numbers, symbols, upper and lowercase letters, and is longer than 8 characters. Steer clear of common words or patterns to boost your account security. After you've set your new password, be sure to store it in a safe place, perhaps using a password manager so you don't find yourself locked out again in the future. With your new password in place, you can now return to the Evernote sign-in page and access your account with ease. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to reset your Evernote password. By following these steps, you'll be back to organizing your notes and managing your tasks in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance.